Hey guys, my name is Danny and I'm with the Living in Houston channel, and today we are here at Candela neighborhood. It is in the heart of Richmond, Texas, and it's a beautiful master plan community developed by Johnson's Development. And if you'll recall, in our last video in Cross Creek Ranch, it was built by the same developer, Johnson's Development. And we want you to stay tuned to the very end of this video, because we have one of the best kept secrets about Candela neighborhood at the end of the video. Now, for today's tour, we're going to be going through 3 beautiful properties. These properties are going to be different sizes, different price points, and hopefully you see one that fits in your budget. Hey guys, if it's your first time to the channel, we want you to know everything there is to know about living in Houston, Texas area. Whether that's Richmond, Katy, Fulshear, we're here to help you, guide you through that process. We want to make sure that you subscribe to our channel, hit the bell so you get all the latest updates and notifications about living in Houston, Texas. Every day we get calls from people just like you who want to know information about moving to the city of Houston. Now, whether you're moving in 9 days or 9 months, feel free to reach out to us today. All of our contact information is below. We look forward to hearing from you. Now let's go tour this beautiful neighborhood in Candela. Hey guys, welcome to our first home today on Shimmer Drive. This property was built by Weston Homes and it's priced at $649,000. This is a 4-bedroom, 3-bath property, and it's priced at $175 a square foot. This property is beautiful and has a first floor master bedroom and primary suite. Also offers an additional bedroom and bathroom on the first floor. So come inside, let's take a look at this great property. Hey guys, just a few doors down from the first home we showed you is another exceptional property built by Weston Homes. This property boasts 5 bedrooms, 4 full baths, 3,500 square feet, and is priced at $672,000. That's $175 a square foot. This property is elegant and it is beautiful. The kitchen is a chef's dream come true. Come inside, let's take a look at this beautiful property. Hey guys, it's Danny again, and we are at our 3rd and final property here on Shimmer Drive. Now this property is brought to you by Perry Homes. This property is listed at $729,000. That breaks down to $192 a square foot. This property features 5 bedrooms, 4 baths, and 3,800 square feet. Let's go inside and take a look at this beautiful property. Thanks for staying tuned for this video. I told you that at the end of our video, I was going to let you in on one of the best kept secrets of this neighborhood. And the best kept secret about this neighborhood is that they have monthly get-togethers, so you can get to know the residents. It has a tremendous sense of community, and in addition to the monthly get-togethers, there's many festivals and there's walking trails, and this property just has all kind of amazing amenities. Hey guys, if you're thinking about moving to Houston, Texas, and you think that Candela might be a good fit for you, please don't hesitate to reach out to us. All of our contact information is below, and again, my name is Danny with the Living in Houston channel, and we help people like yourself move to Houston every single day. Thanks.